Hey guys, this is Andy from Germany. This is my 69 Chevy Caprice. I'm doing some frame work today, so you see I just sand it all down and repaint it and stuff. Now I'm actually doing the bushings. It's an energy suspension kit for a 65 for 70 Chevy Impala and Caprice. And here's some description, and it's good to read this shit because you have the rear control arms. These are the upper control arms, and you totally need the old stuff, the metal stuff, which is installed. You know, I didn't know that so far, you know, and that's the thing. But the things I got are pretty good, and these things were pressed in to the half. So this thing has been in this round, which looks like that. All right, the thing is, the paper stuff says you need to press them furthermore, so like this, you know. If you have that, then the parts will fit. So the thing is, you have the bushing with the number 3, 1, 4, 5. This comes from that side in. And the other thing is this is 3151, and this comes from the other side. So then it will fit, it should look like that. And then, just then it will fit in your rear frame, you know. And after it comes down like that, with this metal thing, you see it, you know, and with a screw, and then it's okay. So this is what I've done to press it in, press it out. I have some things built myself. It's just a pipe about 2 inches long, and the diameter is, I don't know, 3 inch. Yeah, and that's how it works. Don't forget the lubricant, so this creamy little glue, then it will fit. So that is how it should look like on a 69 Chevy Caprice on the rear upper control arm. You know? So you need to push this all the way through, and that's how it works. That's how the energy suspension stuff will fit. Alright, see you next time.